Hey there, Internet. I got a new motor on my little tiny baby belt sander here. I've deburred a whole bunch of parts and I haven't had any problems. But yesterday, my son came over in the afternoon and I was showing him this and I was really hogging away some material and then it made a funny noise. And the weirdest failure mode is this outer layer at the top of the crown broke. There you can see like the end of this is the seam that goes all the way down the thing, which is good. Actually, I just felt it smush right here. Oh, look at that. Got the belt off. It's not completely debonded, but it seems like about 3/4 of the way around here, the outer layer is not bonded to the infill. Over here, it seems fine, but out here is not so good. Now, the other thing I did is I dropped it and it landed right on this corner and the whole thing just smashed. So those are the two failure modes that I've seen so far. But the new motor is very, very powerful, 600 watts, and runs nice and smooth. So I still need to make the mechanism to make it flip. And I think I'm going to make the idler and the tracking adjuster be one of these old casters. I don't know how true this is going to run yet. I might even swap it down here and see if I can run it like that. I have to make a better plinth for the 1-inch belt. This isn't really working great quite yet. And then I got to get the electricals sorted out in a little bit of a better cleaner, less dust-ridden environment. Well, that's just a quick update on the failure modes of this little experiment, and as well as what I got to do to finish this thing up. So anyway, thanks for watching.